Hello and welcome once again to NFT Central, the place where we review every single NFT that you might not have heard of, or perhaps you did hear of it, but you didn't realize how much of a gain it could bring to you. And in this case, I have a very specific project that I want to show you, which has even a game involved with it. It's called Meta Tycoon. And Meta Tycoon is a 9999 generative artwork NFT collection, and every NFT artwork is unique with different traits. However, that's not the only thing they have going for themselves. All holders co-own real estate in the metaverse and have profits from sale or rent of the real estate sent to you in USDT. On top of that, all holders get to enjoy exclusive benefits as a Meta Tycoon Club member. So this is a very interesting mix they have going on here. You can have artwork, but at the same time, you can have sale and rent on a real estate on USDT. Not only that, but you can even visit their own headquarters, which is basically a little online universe that I'm going to show you in a moment. A lot of combinations, a very unique project in my opinion, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Now, this is the website, the main website, and you might realize that it's not that long, but that's because they have their information somewhere else. Meta Tycoon, it says, unmatched utilities and helmed by real estate professionals who own real estate in the metaverse. If I scroll down, you can have connection of the wallet, how many do I want, the description of the Meta Tycoon, and some examples of their NFTs right here. Now, the ultimate roadmap white paper, that's the thing that we are going to read right now in a moment. And then you have Meta Tycoon Club. Our unmatched utilities and perks. You can do all of this. Co-own real estate in the metaverse. 70% profits fairly distributed to all holders. 30% profits go back to community wallet. Exclusive metaverse events. Exclusive metaverse merch and 3D models. Digital membership card. Physical metal membership card. Exclusive Discord channels with crypto signals, real estate tips, and more. And many more. Now, in case you have any doubt, you have the FAQs right here, of course. Every single doubt that you have, they can answer it right here. And you have the team as well. Now, the important thing, if you visit their white paper, you can tell their introduction, their vision, their founder, their assets. So, Meta Tycoon is a collection of 9,999 NFTs, the design of which stems from a unique selection of streetwear clothing, hairstyles, and backgrounds. And all of this is actually quite noticeable in their website as well, in their headquarters actually. Meta Tycoon NFT holders co-own plots of land in the metaverse, diversified portfolios such as Decentraland, Sandbox, Somnium Space, and many more. Holders also get to earn passive income in USDT. We are striving to build a strong community of holders that provides a fun and informative space for all involved. That is very true. If we head to Vision, they want to build a like-minded community of people who are into entrepreneurship, real estate, and the metaverse to come together. That is exactly what they want to do. To allow Meta Tycoon NFT holders to enjoy benefits of real-world passive income through real estate investments in the metaverse. Holders will also benefit and achieve wealth accumulation in both real life and virtually, enjoying the best of both worlds. If I click here, I have the founders and I have the assets, but it's just one thing to show you the assets. If I visit this part of the white paper, I can show you something way better for this. Now, before we continue, let me remind you that you should really come to these websites and check it out on your own and do your own research with these things, because I believe that you coming here and clicking these parts is going to be way better of experience than me just showing every single one of them. I'm going to guide you to this website, basically, because it's whitepaper.metatycoon.club, a great place. But instead of just showing you this, I'm going to show you the Discord server. Now, the Discord server is very well made, to be honest, very well done. If I click on this assets channel, I can actually see what they have for sale. They actually possess all these things and with dates and prices and everything. For example, the 1st of December, they sell #1 purchase at Decentraland. This is the location in which this thing is, and the OpenSea link. Neighbor of international superstar JJ Lin, actually. The price was 4,520 mana, which is an estimated 23k USD at the time of purchase, and I have a little picture of it. If I scroll down even more, I can see more of their assets. For example, this one was for 3.9 Ethereum, which is around 17k USD. at time of purchase. They have the sandbox link and they have the OpenSea link as well. They even show you the location, which is basically like some sort of coordinates, basically. In case you are wondering what this is, they have it for both English and people who read this alphabet, basically, and Chinese. But if I keep scrolling down, you have different ones. For example, this one, number 3 purchase, the location, the links, and the price is 6.75 Ethereum. I'm estimated 26k USD. And with all these things, you can be the proud owner of land. But how does this work? Well, all I have to do is simply click on this little tab that I have here, and you might see me walking in a little universe. Now, in all fairness, I actually click randomize for this character, but you actually have a lot of options that surprise me a lot. You have the options for the tops that you're wearing, the pants, the shoes, the accessories, how you look, the gender, everything. All that you want you can change in your little avatar and walk around in this world. But if I enter to this so-called headquarters, what do I have in front of me? Well, I have the Meta Tycoon building. I do not know why it's not playing at the moment, but they do have the Meta Tycoon song playing on the background, and that is just great. Now, as soon as I enter, I can already see some of these things that they have on the wall and NFTs and everything. And of course, these buttons actually work. They're not just here for decoration. There's a Twitter page, the Discord page, and you can visit their website. If I come in here and press the E button, it'll take me straight there. It actually has a little pop-up warning in case you press it by mistake. So it's great. On the top left, you cannot see it because the recorder is basically cropping it a little bit. I actually have a minimap with the coordinates, and that's the location that was being shown when people were buying NFTs with the assets. Now, this is a little elevator that will take us right up there. Let's see if I can manage to do it. There you go. Going down, and then... Oh, it didn't lift me. What about this one? This one will surely lift me. There you go. Up we go. So we have a different level, and here can be a whole entire NFT, an entire image right there. And it's a wonderful building with amazing decoration. And if I walk this way, there you go. Now I'm being lifted, and I go to even the next level. Oh, how does this? There you go. There. Oh, it stops right there. Really now? Oh, this is for the... There you... Oh, no, I'm just awful with this. That is completely my fault. This is an interesting place. You can see everything that they own. There you go. And open this door with a click. You have the Meta Tycoon co-owned real estate in the metaverse. It all looks fantastic. I can open this door and I can see more UIs here, more images. Right now, if I open the UI, I can see something loading, and they give you the price they have. It's a wonderful experience. I think this is way more interactive than any other NFT that I have seen in the past. And well, I'm just hyped to show it to you guys. But anyways, this has been NFT Central with Meta Tycoon, and I hope that you have a lot of fun visiting this on your own. Remember that none of these videos are official financial advice, and I really encourage you to do your own research, experiment, have your own experience, because I assure you, you will not be disappointed. With that said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.